Hello children, today let us understand ray diagrams for the image formation by a concave mirror. First, when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature of a concave mirror, we have to consider two rays. In that, the ray parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through principal focus, and a ray which is passing through the center of curvature retraces its path. Where these two will join, we'll get a real, inverted and diminished image, and the position of the image will be between F and C. Next, when the object is placed at C, we have to consider the ray which is parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it passes through principal focus. Then one more ray which is passing through principal focus. After reflection from the mirror, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Where these two will meet, we will get an image. Its nature will be real, inverted and same size as that of the object, and its position is at C. Next, when the object is placed between C and F, we have to consider the ray which is parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it passes through principal focus, and the second ray, the ray which is passing through the center of curvature, after reflection retraces its path, and where these two will meet, we'll get an image. Its nature is real, inverted and size enlarged, and the position is beyond C. Next position at F. Here we have to consider ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection, passing through principal focus, and the next ray passing through the center of curvature, which retraces its path after reflection. Here these two rays will become parallel to each other, and the image is formed at infinity, and the size of the image is highly enlarged. Nature of the image is real, inverted. Next position is between F and P. First ray, the ray is directed towards the pole of the mirror. After reflection, it makes an equal angle with respect to principal axis. Another ray which is passing through the center of curvature, it retraces its path. If we extend these two rays behind the mirror, we'll get an enlarged virtual and direct image, and position of the image is behind the mirror. I hope you have understood all these ray diagrams.